Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Timmy in South Carolina on the Ranger RCI 99N2. Timmy, it's ready to go for you, bud. Don't forget we got a high-low here, so if you're out hunting and you're close proximity to people or something like that, you can flip it on low. It's going to give you around a 50 watts of PEP swing. But we're going to show you the fun part here. RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. About 4 watts. Now that is just in case you decide to run an amp. You'll have enough adjustability, set it way you want. This will work out great with a 6 or 8 peel. There it is, right at 50 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 100 watts in the corner. We'll put the 250 watt scale in average. Hello, 120 average, 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, audio, in excess of 250 watts. Go ahead and show you sideband here. Hello, about 248 on sideband. Now what I'm going to do here though, since you're going to be in the mobile, if you're not running a watt meter, which I do recommend everybody run a watt meter so you can keep an eye on things. We're going to put that at 12 o'clock and I'm going to show you what the carrier level is there. Alright, so it's 40 watts there. And I'm going to point it right at the F on fine. That's about 35. And then we're going to take it here at the 9 o'clock position, okay? And there's about 20. Okay? You'd be fine running anywhere between 20 and wide open. If you're barefooted, I wouldn't run it down real low because you'll be kind of choppy. So just keep it somewhere around in there. You'll be good to go. Alright, Timmy, we're going to get this up to you. I appreciate you. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get your Truck Rise tuned today. Truck Rise.